Greetings, noble guests. Today, I bring you a soup inspired by the royal tables of Old England, a dish once enjoyed by kings and nobles. While the original version was richer and heavier, today I'll show you my modern twist, a creamy pumpkin soup with orange and ginger. Let's cook like royalty. For today's recipe, we'll need 700 to 800 grams of peeled pumpkin, 1 red onion chopped into cubes, 1 potato, 400 milliliters of vegetable broth or water with natural concentrate, 200 milliliters of coconut milk or cooking cream, 1 orange, we'll use both the zest and the juice, a chili flakes infusion in olive oil, a few pumpkin seeds, 2 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 50 grams of butter, salt, and pepper. Let's get started. To begin, infuse some olive oil with chili flakes. Step 1. Cut the pumpkin in half, then remove the seeds. Peel off the skin and cut the flesh into smaller pieces. Place all the pumpkin pieces on a baking tray. Drizzle with olive oil. Sprinkle with salt. And roast them in the oven for a deeper color and creamier texture. Set the oven to 200 to 220 degrees Celsius, 392 to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, and roast for about 20 minutes until golden. Step 2. In a pot, melt half of the butter. Add the chopped onion, garlic, and grated ginger, and sauté them for a short time, and vegetable broth. Add the diced potato, orange juice, then add the roasted pumpkin and coconut milk. Let everything simmer for about 20 minutes. Finally, season with salt and pepper. Step 3. Transfer the contents of the pot into a blender. Add the remaining butter and blend until you get a smooth, creamy texture. Last step, toast the pumpkin seeds. Place them in a dry pan and lightly roast for 2 to 3 minutes until slightly browned. And that's it. A warm, creamy pumpkin soup with a twist of orange and ginger. Comforting, flavorful, and super easy to make. If you give it a try, let me know how it turned out in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of the next recipes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Enjoy your meal.